We do not charge any fees to assist you throughout the entire building process that could last up to 12 months. The first step is setting an appointment over the phone or video conference, and let's chat to know about the communities that could suit your style of life. Then I will provide multiple floor plans that match your needs. Next, together we will visit the homes and communities that you selected, and perhaps you could be ready to engage in a purchase agreement. Please note that our goal is negotiating as many incentives that we can get from the builder and its sales representatives to your own benefit. In many cases, we can negotiate properties that are in moving conditions or almost complete at a lower price, and you may get your keys immediately. Otherwise, we will assist you with the process of selection of your lot, selection of the floor plan, selection of building options to customize your new home.